Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2012 SRX. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: headlight cleaners, remote engine start, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, traction control. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, heated steering wheel, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, power door locks, one-touch windows, 4 power windows, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, tachometer.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.